evening when you come on top night show, today no be that day where we go take music, start the show. No be today. Una no go even know. The day we go enter your TV screen, you see say light don't change on top your TV screen. No say that day, gang, everything is going to change. You know when they want to say, this kind of something. This thing where they try to do.
Selfish.
Selfish.
Selfish, that's selfish.
Selfish.
For only you there. One guy say, I went to Oshodi and I decided to use my selfie stick. At the end of the day, now I don't have a phone anymore.
All of una when they take selfish. My bangado the pay phone. And I'm telling got selfish. How you know could be selfish? Because not only you there inside that picture. And no be as you know one make person take your picture. Not only you must to take your own self in the picture. So never for the word selfish. That's how and that's the meaning of selfish. On top night show today. So na Katim and IzyBeatz show today. Neru never bleach finish. So, you know, instigate some couple of days before we come out. You know, as people go do, women go say they go bath that milk. They want bath one special bath when it could make all their body con, you know, they're smooth and all. So now the kind local bath, now one bath they do. You own no be that kind, you own a local bath where you could put carbide, you could put a uku leaf, you could put kerosene, you could put 2 pieces of sugar, 2 cubes of sugar. You could put small salt, then diesel. Then you shake them. So as Nedu they cook. If you see them when we unveil Nedu, oh my God, you wouldn't understand. You wouldn't know Nedu. If you want to in fact, I come on my classes so you can see me very clearly. You're not gonna know Nedu by the time Nedu come. Me and IzyBeatz, we go unveil them like this. Wow! Una go begin ask Nedu what's be the secret of in fine, shine skin.
Recipe. You
know, today we go open telephone line. You don't tell we can talk to now. You know, on top night show, sometimes our body know they feel like that, like it is the same if we know they talk to now on top night show. So we go yours balance very well. After we just on our chuk tori, then we go market tomorrow. When we come back, we go bring this matter on top table. We want ask una. Wetin be una honest opinion? If we just una this story, just get at the back of your mind, say it can be your sister, it can be your pikin, it can be your brother, it can be anybody that you know, even that you are neighbor. So everybody I do involve. Now, why I start the show with my selfish? The story of this selfish, ani na about. Am I bang antum of ebantum? Ebo okay now, girls go to toilet to take selfish. You just go like that and stand somewhere. Anywhere around there, it has a nice background. Let me take a selfish now. You could do like this. You know, say, as you go do this thing, you fit fall down.
I say,
fall down inside. And if person fall down now, you could say, no, now the enemies in your village, they follow you. What thing happen? One girl decides saying, you know, to take selfish for bathroom, don't tire them. To take selfish inside hotel, don't tire them. To take selfish inside better office, when you go pretend like saying na your office, don't tire them. So she can't say, oh, wow, she get idea. She can't carry herself to bridge. She says she won't take selfish on the bridge. I don't know, make it from the village, I don't know. But she carry her telephone like this to take selfish. Now so she want, you know, say selfish, you must do all these things. My brother, now so she fall down from that bridge inside water. We no find until now. Now so she take die. From bridge. Who could say, see as this girl fine like this? You will not say you fine. Waiting one carry, you go take selfish. You don't take selfish inside a bookshop. See where they sell crayon, they sell party something for her back. She take the selfish, they never do them. She can't decide, say, inside Russia. Make she stand on top bridge. Be like now, easy, we could say, we won't go 10 mainland bridge.
Go take selfish.
To take a selfish. And so now, what is pushing you from yourself now? Is it a kind of monitoring spirit? You have to leave your house, drive all the way to Ikoji Bridge or to 3rd Mainland Bridge, and stand there and to snap a selfish. So that you can do what now? Now, so this small girl can't die inside selfish. So anywhere where you dey, mind where you decide to take a what? A selfish. You know, say nowadays, if they ask people now, which kind of present you like for your birthday? If person asks you now, Izzy, what can I get you on your birthday? What's he go tell them?
Simple stuff.
Like
just the simple.
pants,
Probably,
boxer.
No.
No, so when you say
Perfume,
simple,
you know.
okay.
I like
How about wristwash?
a wristwatch.
You like
maybe,
wristwatch,
Yeah,
I think.
nice T-shirt. You know.
What color of
simple stuff.
wristwash? Purple, red?
Any color, but if I say gift, I go buy them, you know.
No. I am here to warn you. Be careful of the kind of gift where you they accept. Or your birthday, anniversary, or anything. It's so easy for the wedding. Oh, I would like a gift. What would you like on your birthday or your graduation or your... You say, Just get me a little bit of cute watch. Be careful of their watches and their monitors and their clocks. And for you, is it a clock, a watch, or a monitor? If person give you this kind a watch now, say, okay, I give you this kind of watch as gift, what do you go do? Take a look at this watch now. If they give you this watch when they want show, when I don't know whether to some people, maybe I can do monitor, okay, good. I can do wristwatch, and you want me to see this one. If they give you this kind of clock now, it can be a clock, a wristwatch, or a monitor. What do you go do? 9 plus 9 divided by 9, add 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock, add the square root of 9 plus 9 minus 9. 4 o'clock, add the square root of 9 plus 9 divided by 9. So, if you do mathematics, arithmetics, if person give you this kind of watch now, the first, what is your reaction going to be? Because I know my reaction. My reaction going to be, why everything be 99999?
You don't understand? Not only that, why
either 9 times 9 divided by 9.
To calculate the wristwatch before, now work, you like, okay, it's on to 5. Now, because you going to put my maths journal.
No, but this one, what do they call them? Una send us una tweet, what do they call this kind of watch? Na monitor, na wristwatch, or na clock?
Assignment.
See, I'm here. This kind one, you know, say that the face of your wristwatch, this one go be. They could just give you this kind of wristwatch. Una send us tweet at W Night Show, tell us what you go define this kind of watch.
Assignment.
Now, no. You know, say you get some people when we say they could wear that watch, make it be say, even if they don't know any mathematics inside there, but make it be say, you know, yeah, make it be say, oh my, now custom made, they make them from me from Kazakhstan. Say they craft them. Say now imported something. Me, I could like them because I could just say, you know how you go carry hand up and down, go say, oh, what's your time? My time is square root 9 plus 9 divided by 9. In other words, I do 2 o'clock. So person go say, what are you talking about? Say this is custom made from Kazakhstan.
It wasn't gotten from here.
So no. Una understand the kind gift me una say una like. Send us una tweet, una reaction on top at W Night Show. Make we know wetin they go on with una. Make we quick go break when we come back. Hey! Carry your telephone or we want to know what you could do in this situation if not you. Only truth or not they can't they do anyhow. Just tell us as it be.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.